Welcome back to Wiring Products. In this episode, we are going to show you our junior crimping tool and how to use it. This is a junior crimper. It has gauge sizes and die sizes. These are the dies. So you're going to look up what wire gauge you're going to use. We're using 4 gauge for this. And then you move your dies. So, example, 4 gauge says die setting 16. So you match up your 16 with your 16 by moving these. These all move. So once they are lined up, open the jaws. Take your copper lug and stick it in between the teeth. I don't know if I'm getting that for you. Stick it between the teeth. Okay. And then you're going to take your cable and just put it right in there. And just butt it up. You can't go too far. It'll stop on its own. Just butt it up in there and then squeeze it. So I'm pushing the handle down towards the table, and it's going to go as far down as it can. And when it does, it's actually finished. You can't push it any farther, and that is closed. So I open it back up, pull all the way back up, pull my lug out, and there you go. It does not get much easier than that. And that is how you use our junior crimping tool. Visit us at wiringproducts.com for all your automotive electrical supplies.